Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
no food. What is this, First Lady?
Okay, guys, we don't have any fish, no oxtail, no curry goat,
no good of food.
Peas, no red peas and red pea soup.
So wait a question. You start up on diet already?
No, not yet.
Okay,
I need to go on a diet. I need to go on a detox though.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Your little detox thing. You know what I'm talking about.
Yes.
All right.
Honey, are you excited to eat this?
Eat what? I'm missing something.
This is cornstarch.
Oh, really? Okay. All right. So where's the food?
This is it.
Oh, okay.
Family. Okay. I have seen this on YouTube. I've seen people eating cornstarch, and I was fascinated by it because the way they be eating the cornstarch, it looks so freaking good. So I said I want to try it.
Okay.
I want to try it, my youth.
All right, then you say yeah, try it, man. So
All right. So I ordered this off of you guys know it, Esty. I ordered it from there. It wasn't expensive, but I was like, so this is our food.
Let's see.
Oh.
What?
Thumbnail, honey. Okay. All right. Let me see.
That's our food.
That's our food.
Really?
It's vacuum sealed.
Can't start to look like something else, like they must ship out a. Can't say it.
Like they must ship out.
They shipping out stuff.
That they shouldn't be shipping out.
Yeah.
Don't say. But
say it. What they can flag the page.
let me see.
That's it.
Guys,
I don't know what it is, but I'm down for it. You know, First Lady trying, I gotta try it too. You feel me? We gotta take one for the team.
But
gotta ride or die, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, but here's the thing, family. I nosy, you know.
I don't like how that look. That might be the wrong thing.
That might be the wrong thing. Ooh.
You see that, family? Well, First Lady gotta do it right now.
But this is how it comes. I don't know. Is there a flavor in it?
How should I know?
I'm sorry, family, if it's noisy, but I gotta unwrap it. Is it a flavor?
So that's cornstarch. You talking about the stuff that you put in your food,
the gravy to make it thick. Cornstarch. And people are eating it on YouTube.
That's interesting.
So I want to try because I'm nosy. Because I'm like, they're tearing it up.
It gotta be that good?
Yeah.
Okay, family, we here for it. Let's see what it is.
All right.
Let's see what it looks like. So how do we start?
I guess it just...
What?
And look at that. You have the bigger piece.
But you could have this one this time. You could have the bigger piece for this one time. You don't trust this enough? Sorry, family, I do not trust this. You see how it look? You show them?
Yeah, man, cornstarch, my youth.
Show them, First Lady. See that?
I don't want it broke up.
Yeah, not
cornstarch.
Wow, that's the. All right.
You ready?
So we just bite it?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay. I want to fuck you. Hell no. You got me messed up. You sure that's the boy's taste? That tastes like the real cornstarch you put in the food. It's supposed to have a flavor? Hell no. Nah. Tell you want your money back. I ain't with that.
Sammy, it's so dry. I know it's cornstarch, but my God.
Family, me nah name that. You alone name that.
Who my shirt?
First, I'm being serious. That's how it's supposed to taste. I thought it was supposed to have a flavor. You sure you got the right one? Nah, these people you need to get your money back, son. You eating it? Hell nah, I ain't that crap. You alone on that, son. You got me messed up, son. This what people killing themselves over?
But shut me see my youth.
It's all good. Leave that. We keeping it go hood. Tom, this is what they killing themselves over?
Wait, this is
No,
nasty.
I want you to be honest. No, listen, family. She was telling me about this cornstarch. We got to try cornstarch. I'm saying, okay, it might have a flavor to it or whatever. And you saying people eating this? You sure that's the right one?
Yep, starch brick. Yes.
Hell nah, I ain't eating that crap, son. You alone with that?
Yeah. Let me taste one more time.
Nah, you alone. Now, family. She gonna do this video by herself, son. I ain't eating that. Yo.
It's still nasty.
Right now, I'm gonna use a cornstarch and put in my chicken, my RFC. I know what you feel like. Yeah? Family, you gotta be kidding me, First Lady.
So what we gonna do?
Yo, y'all alone and yam that.
The family not gonna have a video.
Yo,
because
family,
they can't eat this.
y'all taking this one for the team. I'm not eating this. If you want it, you could have it all. I'ma send it to y'all. I ain't eating that. No way, Jose. So what y'all do? I don't know about you, the First Lady, but...
Oh, what that?
What that? What you two party if I chuck one?
What you...
Nah, you eat your cornstarch, family.
Honey, when you make
Family?
patty... No, wait, stop.
Family?
Honey, wait. When did you make patty?
When did I make patties? Huh? Are you on your own? Because I told you I'm not eating that shit.
But...
My family. You know what?
So, honey, we supposed to eat the cornstarch.
You alone eat that. You remember? No. The family said I always take your food. Now you have all that for yourself. Bye. Nah, I'm not. Y'all alone. Which one I want to eat?
Don't make too much noise, man.
Yo. Yeah, I want to stop looking at our patty. Alright. Woo, family.
So wait. So where's mine?
You said you want cornstarch. Oh, Renee. This is the curry chicken one. Somebody. Damn, family. Family. Let me show them.
Wait, honey. Wait. 1 second. Let me talk first. I'm very pissed off. How do you have that prepared? When did you make that? I didn't even see when you made it because I was getting dressed. When did you make this patty?
Because I know you come with cornstarch and I know that can't fool me and I never like it from the first place. So I snack. You say you want cornstarch. You want to taste a piece?
Yeah.
Take a little piece. Bite and stop being greedy. Buy piece. Wow. Family, look at this. This is the curry chicken patty and I put cheese in it. This is from our food truck. So I had to take out 2 of them. You know? You see how that look again? Let me show you again. Curry chicken with cheese. Don't knock it till you try it. First, that tastes good, huh?
So how come you didn't make me one?
You want cornstarch first? Come on now. Why you be like that? You tell me you want to try cornstarch. I know I ain't gonna like that crap.
Well, I can prepare too. You got me messed up. You got to have my food too.
Oh, so listen to me. So that's what you did. You wanted me to eat that cornstarch while you making food too, and you talking about me. Huh, I guess we think alike.
We think alike.
That's on you. I enjoy my good up patty.
You know what me have? Me have noodles.
Wow.
Family, this was a ghetto mukbang today.
Ghetto bang.
I have my noodles.
No, but I'm some serious thing. No, I mean, should people eat that?
Family, I had no idea Richie was making patty. He snuck that by me, but I had this on a low. He asked me what was that. I said, oh no, nothing. So I get 2 times spicy sauce, and then I just pour a little bit in it. A little bit goes a long way. That's all you need.
Oh, that come here. See, take a lick. Just take a lick. Take a lick. That's it. Wow.
And then I mix it up. This is just regular spicy chicken noodles.
Spicy chicken noodles, just put it with 2 times.
Yeah. Richie actually did this one day, and ever since he did it like this, I fell in love. I can't stop eating it like this. But this is basically all you do. Just lift it up. Family, do you know how long I've had that cornstarch in the freezer?
That's right, boy.
Over a month.
And we've been to do it a long time ago.
And we've been planning to do it, but we just never got around to...
Are we scared?
Yeah, I'm telling you guys the truth. We were scared because we said, if we don't like it, what are we going to eat? Oh my God, it's hot.
Oh, my Jamaican people, you already know what this is already.
Woo.
So my other family member, this is Jamaican patty. Off our truck, okay?
Guys, this is hot.
It is hot. I couldn't get to steal out one of the juices because First Lady count the juice them. But I took a... You put a lot.
I didn't put that much, but it's hot. It's hot, guys.
This is the ghetto bag. Hot one. But it's good though.
It's hot, but it's good. No, it's not.
Wow. Well, enjoy that hotness. Which one is this?
I really felt like eating some noodles today. And I was like, which one that?
Mild. So this is the mild.
Mild with cheese.
This is the mild with cheese here. It's flaky. First lady, you don't want a piece or not? Take a piece. You can take a first bite. Wow. The best patties in town.
It's so flaky. Listen, the cornstarch didn't work out, guys.
Sure didn't.
But we both had backups.
I didn't even want to get next to my food. I don't know how people do that. Yo, send get them on some real talk, get your money back.
Oh God. There's videos upon videos upon videos
Let them
of
know.
people eating cornstarch. Maybe I got the wrong batch.
I think you got the one that goes in the food for real.
I'm thinking it's gonna taste like something like maybe like caramel or strawberries.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's what I thought. Nope.
Wow.
Straight up cornstarch.
Wow.
You know what's so funny? When we were talking about doing a cornstarch video, we always say to ourselves, that's gonna be a quick video. Because what if we don't like it?
Exactly.
But I didn't know, honestly, I didn't know Richie had patties over there. Because the table is white and the wrappers are white. So when I'm looking, I didn't see the patties. You understand? He asked me what was my noodle, what was this? And I was like, oh, no, nothing. But he was looking at me like suspect.
She thinks she's gonna get. Excuse me. Didn't you say you want that? So why you eat my patty?
Bad.
Bad, right? Bad like you and spicy like you are sweet. Actually, yeah, that's your meat.
Both.
Family, I'm telling family. Family, one day, I'm telling the story. One day we had you on the food truck, right? So first lady, selling.
Ooh.
All I heard, I'm in the truck. I heard somebody saying, what kind of patty you have today? First lady gave them all the flavors. We have a lot of flavors. We have veggie, we have curry chicken, we have jerk chicken, and we have mild, and we have spicy. Right? So I'm in the back now, in the cut, you know? I gotta stay in the cut and see what's going on. You know what I mean? First lady get a lot of customers. So I'm in the back now, I'm hear somebody say, a little voice, a little old guy walk up. So I'm watching him, but I'm in the back, cause I can see through the window. He said, what kind of patty you have today? First lady said, all the flavors. And he said, all right, let me get a spicy one. Spicy just like you. I said, what? I said, now we talking, give me the money. There you go. I said, have a nice day. He said, thank you. I shocked him, he frightened with a papa. I said, there you go. You can have the spicy one. He's shocked. Almost dropped his patty.
Or the ones them.
But yeah, we have a lot of stories when they don't see me.
Who driving the truck?
Listen.
But where's my driver?
Family.
I said my husband.
I got so many stories first aid in the truck, right? Give you a next quick story. So I gave him the spicy one. I said, thank you for your business. You know, that'd be nice. You know. You say you want one spicy like first lady.
Customer service.
Customer service. So anyway, now next story. Damn. Look, see, it's marked. See, this is spicy. See the red dot? It's not. Tell them what the one with the person. But see, it's marked. That's food coloring, family. All right.
All right, family. There was a next time now where Richie is driving the food truck, and
That was good.
I'm in the back. So when we stop, I open the window and I sing my song. Cause we have a song that goes with our food truck to let people know we're there, almost like an ice cream truck, right? So we come, and remember, Richie's always driving. So for some reason, I guess this guy thought I was the one that was driving, stopping, and then coming to the window to serve. So when he saw Richie in the window, he said, "Oh, you hired a driver?" I said, "No, that's my husband." He said, "Oh, was he always?" He said, "Something hot tonight." Was he always with you? I said, "Yes, he's the one who's driving." The man look at me like I was crazy.
Like you was crazy, like Where the hell he come from?
Cause he ain't paying me no mind. He ain't paying Richie
He ain't
no
looking at
mind.
me. He just said, "Oh, you hire a driver?" I said, "Driver." I said, "God damn!" But at the end of the day, thank you for your service. I appreciate you.
What?
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's a lot. Where we go out here, I just have to laugh sometimes, you know?
And the girls that try to come take away my husband.
No girl want me, huh? Birthday, I like. Ain't no girl trying to because I'm the driver.
Yeah.
Which girl try to take me away in when I'm driving?
Yeah.
No way.
All the time.
Trust me, we got some stories, but don't worry, man. But I enjoy this meal. I didn't like the cornstarch.
It was good.
How y'all doing? Wow.
Damn, son.
Oh, damn, Daniel. You back in again with them bands, Daniel?
Yo, the family gonna say this mukbang is all over the place.
Yo.
So it's there.
That's how we stay. Know what I mean? Once you family, you know what I mean? It's a ghetto bang today.
Ghetto bang.
I'm coming with a banger tomorrow, though. Don't worry. I'm getting a banger tomorrow.
Yeah.
First lady, hold on.
Up. Get it in,
Let me transform.
Transform.
Okay. Family. Pastor Rich is in the building right now. Okay. Family, listen up now. Life is short. Live it. Love is rare. Grab it. Anger is bad. So you know what you do? You dump it.
Ooh.
Fear is awful. Face it. Memories is sweet. We gotta cherish it.
What do I always say?
Cherish the memories. All you're gonna have is memories. So, did you hear me? Or would you like to hear it again? Did they hear me, First Lady? Because y'all trying to take my party. If you didn't hear, and if you stepped out for a little bit, well, you shouldn't step out while the greedy couple is on. Don't step out. You gotta watch everything because you don't ever know what we gonna say.
Tasty.
Don't do that, okay? Yes, you snuck back down. No, sit down, take it easy. All right. Here we go again. Family, life is short. Live it. Love is rare. Grab it. Anger is bad. So why don't you just dump it? Fear is awful. Face it, First Lady. You know what I'm saying? Memories are sweet. First Lady, all we could do is just cherish it.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
100%
That's
agree.
it. Facts.
One thing I do know,
Yeah.
I have to work on my fear of frogs.
Free, you're free. Don't worry.
Terrified of frogs.
Don't worry, family.
And Richie, we gonna work on. You gonna face your anger?
Prepare to eat better, faster.
You face your anger.
I'm ready to eat. I had to eat faster. That's all. But yeah.
Richie don't like nothing messing, bothering him.
Listen, I don't like nothing puzzling my brain. I can't think like. Yeah. I just don't like nothing messing my brain.
Yeah.
That's it. I have to think too much. Yeah. I don't like thinking like that. I don't like thinking like that, family. Real talk.
I'm full.
Family.
This is so good.
You know what I'm about to go do right now? I'm about to go get some run-ins. What time it is, First Lady? Because I know my people's about to come get me. We're about to go lock down this court right now. You feel me? Yeah. You know, gotta go run this off. But family, we appreciate y'all. We shared with y'all, even though that cornstarch was disgusting.
It was not good.
Please, it was disgusting. That's why we had it so long. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are, First Lady?
The Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Ghetto edition.
Ghetto bang.
Bye.